What are the hopes for this, seeing as it's the first, and perhaps you could just give us a sense of what the situation is now for the industry that you hope to address?
Okay. MATTA, of course, is very concerned, not just MATTA, but most of the industry is very concerned about the development of talent in our industry. And while there are many institutions that are out there, and there are many events, career fairs that are being organized and held year-round, we feel that there needs to be something specifically targeted towards tourism. We need to convey to the upcoming generation that there is indeed a very good potential in terms of career when you actually join the tourism industry. It covers a broad base, of different sectors of tourism, and we want to basically open up the minds of people that tourism is not just about taking people around, the city, taking them on buses, working behind a travel agent desk. It is exciting. It is full of potential, and the rewards, not just in terms of monetary rewards, but in terms of experience, life experience, career experience. It is extremely rewarding, and so we hope that this fair is going to be able to open up the eyes, of our local people, encourage them to consider a career in tourism, and together, rebuild Malaysian tourism to, its heydays, its glory days.
And on that, how dire is the situation right now with the industry that you need to get new talent?
Mr. Nigel. The other reason for the fair is because during the COVID, we all know that a number of employees from the tourism and hospitality, they have left the industry. So we are here, the career fair is to encourage and see a better future that we have, because the COVID pandemic have really disrupted most of the skilled workers. Skilled workers have also left the industry. I'm sure from the airlines, from the hotels, from the tourism sectors, from the theme parks, they have left because of the prolonged shutdown.
At the moment, the number of tourists coming into Malaysia, I believe Tourism Malaysia has basically given you a correct projection. It is meeting its current targets, and I believe they have revised the current target because they are quite positive that by year end we will exceed, their earlier initial targets. At the moment, we are receiving tourists. We are, of course, hoping for more, especially with the opening of the China borders. It's still a bit slow, but we're hoping that will pick up towards the end of the year as well. We're also pushing on that note for other markets to open up more, especially near markets that are close by within ASEAN and India, for example. And so we're hoping that the government will revise some of their policies to allow easier influx of tourists from these destinations in order to help boost the tourism economy.